Hi friends, in this video I will show you 3 methods to reset or factory reset any Samsung phone, and I will also show you if you forgot your password then how you can reset your Samsung phone. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel How to Tech and press the bell icon for getting notifications of all my upcoming this sort of technical videos. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button below the video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In first method, you have to completely power off your Samsung phone by pressing power button. Now you have to press power button and volume up button together and wait for a few seconds. Now you can see that there is no command, but you have to wait for a few seconds. It will take time to reset your phone. Now you can see that some options have been appeared. You have to press volume up button and volume down button to select any option. And to use this option, you have to press power button. For example, I am pressing volume down button and now selecting wipe data factory reset. Now press the power button. Here you will find two options. Number one is no and two is yes. So with volume down button you have to select yes and then press the power button to start the factory reset. Now your factory reset has been started, and when it will be completed you have to select the reboot system now and then press the power button. Now your phone has been reboot reset. And if this trick does not work in your Samsung phone, then you have to go to the settings of your Samsung mobile and then scroll down. Here you will find the option of about phone. So tap on about phone. In about phone you will find the option of reset. Tap on reset. Here you will find different options. You have to tap on factory data reset. Tap on it. Now you can see different applications and your data on your mobile, and it will ask you to confirm that all data will be deleted, so you have to tap on the reset. Now enter your password and tap on delete all. Now you can see that your all data has been erased and your mobile has been reset. Now I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung phone if you forgot your password. As you can see on your screen that I have forgot my pattern lock. In this situation, you have to press the power button and volume up and down button together and hold these buttons for few seconds. Now left the volume down finger. Here you can see that your mobile is now in factory data reset mode. Simply left your all fingers from your mobile buttons and simply press the volume down button to select the wipe data factory reset, and now use the power button to select the functions of reset data. Now again press the volume down button to start the factory data reset functions. Now you can see that data wipe completed and your mobile is showing the option of reboot system now. Now press the power button to restart your phone. Here you can see that your mobile now starting. Wait for the few seconds. Tap on arrow button to let's go. Now select all functions and tap on the next. Now skip and don't copy. Tap on the next button. Now tap on the more button and tap on accept. Here tap on skip and tap on skip anyway. Now wait for few seconds and tap on the next button. If you want to enter your email address and password, so enter, and if you want to skip this option, so tap on the skip, and now tap on the finish button to complete the reset process of any Samsung phone. In this way, you can reset or factory data reset your Samsung phone. In this video, I will show you two methods to take screenshot in any Samsung mobile. In first method, you have to press the power button and volume down button together to take a screenshot. Now I am sharing very simple method to take screenshot in Samsung mobile. You have to just swipe the palm right to left, and if this trick does not work, then you have to go to the settings and then you have to tap on the advanced features. Now tap on motion and gestures. Here you will find a option of palm swipe to capture. If this button is already turned off, so you have to turn it on. If you will turn this button on, then you can take screenshot by swiping the palm on the phone screen. In this way, you can take the screenshot in any Samsung mobile. In this video, I will show you how to turn off safe mode on Samsung. First of all, you have to power off your Samsung mobile and then power on it. When your mobile will be turned on, now you can see that there is a safe mode which is already turned on. So enter your password or code and scroll down the status bar. Now tap on airplane mode. As you can see that there is a option safe mode is on, which was not before. So tap on it and now tap on turn off to disable the safe mode on Samsung, and your mobile will be restarted. If this trick does not work, then there is another trick. Press and hold power off button and volume down button together for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, Samsung logo will be shown in front of you and safe mode will be turned off. Now you can see on your screen that Samsung mobile has been turned on without safe mode. In this way you can turn off the safe mode on Samsung. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to turn off voicemail on Samsung mobiles, and today I will show you different methods to get rid of voicemail on Samsung. First of all, you have to understand that voicemail is a network feature, so you will have to contact your network for support. Means you have to contact with your network provider to solve this issue. Secondly, you can also open the phone applications, tap three dots in the top right, settings, supplementary services, call forwarding, and remove your voicemail number from any of the relevant field. There are different network providers in different countries. For example, if you live in UK, so you have to send a text in capital letters VM space off to 150, and if you want to turn on voicemail again, so simply text to 150 VM space on. And if you are living in some other countries, so dial double hash 002 hash. In this way you can turn off the voicemail. And if this code does not work in your country, so if you are living in America, so you have to dial 611. In some countries you have to dial the code or you have to talk with the network providers to turn off the voicemail. And if you fail to do all these tricks, then here I am sharing a better method to get rid of this problem. You can see a voicemail notification on screen. If you get a lot of voicemail notifications, it's annoying for anybody. So simply tap right to left on this voicemail notification. Now two options will be shown in this voicemail. One is setting and second is bell icon. Simply tap on the settings. Here are two options. One is alert, second is silent. So tap on silent to silent the voicemail notification and tap on save button to save this settings. If you tap on second options mean bell icon, here you will find time option to show the notification. So if you set this time for 2 hours, you can relax for 2 hours. In this way, you can use some tricks to turn off the voicemail on Samsung. And the best way to turn off the voicemail is to contact with the network provider of your country. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.